Hey y'all, welcome back to another very special, exciting episode of not griddle porn today, campfire porn. Oops, sorry, I'm a little loose apparently. As you can see, I did not bring my griddle while we went camping, and I am having withdrawals, but we're getting by. The chicken last night was pretty awesome. I ended up wrapping the foil around it to create a convection effect, and so good. Anyway, I took a pound of burger and split it up into four. Unless you're making smash burgers, it's a good idea to minimally handle your meat. Get your mind out of the gutter. You want to touch it as little as possible. And that's what I did, and I made my own seasoning. This is the first time we're trying it. It's granulated, or not granulated, yes, granulated garlic, coarse ground salt, coarse ground pepper, and oregano and Mrs. Dash, I think, is everything. We'll see how it turns out. So, yeah, thanks for watching Campfire porn, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.